If you don't mind spending 30 minutes of your time every day in a side hustle that should potentially make you about 3,000 to 5,000 monthly, then this video is for you. You see, making money online has become easier than ever. And to succeed in this digital world, you need to have the right mindset by adopting and following new trends and understanding that smart work plus consistency yields the quickest result. So today, I'm going to show you an easy way to make money online with YouTube videos without ever making a video. And this might sound like clickbait, but if you stay to the end of this tutorial, you will understand this business model. And as a beginner to making money online, I strongly advise you to put on the best mindset as we proceed. And if you find this super helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber, kindly hit the subscribe button to join the community where we are all about making money online. Without much talk, let's get started. As said earlier, this business model is about making money from YouTube videos and getting paid by Google. There are several ways to get paid by Google, but the easiest way is by putting out your content and giving Google permission to place ads on it. In other words, this is you monetizing your content, and not video content, but rather articles. And getting started is so easy and simple, and that is why I said this side hustle is beginner friendly. We have just 3 steps to take to achieve this. Step 1. Now head over to YouTube, and this is where it all begins. But first, you need to choose your niche, and for us, it is the news and entertainment niche. Because it has a wide audience, plus this will lead to massive traffic, which equals more money. So here on YouTube, you have to follow your competitors in your niche so that YouTube will always notify you whenever they drop a new video. Plus, YouTube homepage will have mostly the channels you follow and the videos you have watched, as well as similar video types. And now you might be thinking, how do you even know the right video to choose for your content? So just come over here and at the very top of the homepage, just click on recently uploaded, and this is where you get to see all recently uploaded videos in your niche. And remember, we are in the news and entertainment niche, right? So our competitors internationally are channels like CNN, CNET, Al Jazeera, E! News, and the like. It's also best to follow your local news channels too. So if you have followed popular channels in your niche, you will have them displayed here. The truth is, there are 2 types of online audiences: those who would rather go to YouTube to fetch information and those who would rather go to Google. So there is a market for everyone. Now that you have chosen your niche and the video you want. So the next question should be, how do you make money from this video? And this will lead us to the next steps. Now head over to this website. It's free to use and I have tried it out myself and it does the summary perfectly well. However, you can try out some paid service if you don't feel comfortable using free tools. And here is the website name is videotical.com. So click here, paste in the URL you have copied and wait for it. And there you go. Now you have content that you can monetize for some cool cash. So it is quite lengthy because it is a long video of about 22 minutes or so. And it even generated images, which makes it more interesting for the reader. Of course, I know you guys are really smart and you are already thinking outside the box, right? It's all about your creativity and how you intend to use this strategy, even beyond what I'm sharing with you. So here's what you will want to do next, just for double checking. Use the plagiarism tools and be sure that the AI didn't generate a plagiarized content because Google will frown at it. So head over to grammarly.com for a quick check. And as you can see, it is 0 plagiarized and aside from the grammatical error, which will be fixed before posting on our blog. So I think we are good to go, right? And of course, I know most persons are already thinking about copyright. Well, there is no such thing as copyright here. And one thing you can do is give credit. And that is you embedding the video in your blog post, okay? Funny enough, I have stumbled on my video embedded in a random blog post. And for me, it is a win-win thing for both parties. I mean, we both get paid. Now we have our content, and the next step, which is the 3rd step, is uploading our blog post online so that people can see and read it. And that is how we get to make money. So you will be deciding which platform is best for you and for content monetization. You can use WordPress, Wix.com, Podia.com, or even Blogger.com. It's totally free, okay? So for this tutorial, we'll go with Blogger.com because it is a Google-owned blogging website, and it makes it very easy to connect to Google AdSense. and get approved even if your website is new. But before you start posting content on your blogger's website, on blogger.com, if you want to take this side hustle seriously, you will need to get a domain name, which costs about $1 on Namecheap. However, Google will still give you a subdomain if you don't want to buy or own a domain. So to get started with blogger.com, just come over here on the Google app, then scroll till you see Blogger, click on it, and sign in with your Gmail account. And once you do, you will be brought up to this interface. Here is where you get to post your blog content. Over here, it shows you all of the posts you have. And here are the statistics. At least this should give you an idea that this is a working strategy, though I have stopped using this account for a very long time. But yeah, I still get some tiny views. And when you click on earning, this is where you see how much you have made from ads. But since we haven't set it up, it prompts you to connect to Google AdSense so that you can start getting ads displayed on your content. And setting your AdSense is very easy since it is all a Google product. But before you connect with Google Ads, just make sure you have like 10 to 15 posts, because if you connect with AdSense without having any posts, that can possibly slow down the review process. And getting about 10 to 15 posts shouldn't be hard. I just showed you an easy way out, right? If I click on the Go to AdSense button, it takes me to the Google AdSense page. As you can see, I have already started the process. My payment profile has been completed, the same as my ad settings, and I am left with just connecting my blogging site. But then I realized I shouldn't go any further since I don't intend to use the account for now. As you can see, Google is ready to place ads on my content, but I haven't given them permission. So to begin posting, come over here, create blog, or alternatively call the website. This will be your blog name, so choose a nickname. And this is the name that people will see on Google or on any search engine. So ours is christinatrends.blogpost.com. You save it, and that's it. So to publish your content, just come over here and click on the new post button. Then copy and paste the generated content. But remember to give them credit, okay? And once you're done, just hit the public button to have it go live. The fact remains that people are already taking advantage of this strategy and not so many persons know about it. And here is the thing, if you don't know how and where to get started, you can focus on getting content from a movie review channel, like the top 10 listicle kind of channel, storytelling channel, and all of that. You can even do a cooking blog, you just have to think. And I hope you are beginning to get the idea. So if you find this new side hustle interesting and worth trying, let's know how you intend to go about it in the comment. Plus, remember to hit the like button for more side hustle ideas. And you know what? If you didn't find it helpful, then hit the subscribe button to get notified when I drop a new money-making tip. I will see you in my next video, okay? Bye.